Okay, so it's 4:35 a.m. right now, and I don't know if my camera's good enough to pick up the sound, but there it is again. There's some kind of sound outside right now. Like, it's dark. I'm gonna go outside. There's a light on. Bright. Sorry, everyone's sleeping right now, so I don't want to wake people up. Okay, oh fuck. What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh, fuck. It doesn't. It's like coming from everywhere, kind of thing. It doesn't sound like it's coming from any particular place. Oh, what? It just sounds like it's coming from all over the place. Holy fuck. You know what this reminds me of? What's that movie? Where the monsters going through New York City. Oh, what was that? Fuck, I can't remember now. Everyone dies in the end. It's like the first person view camera. Oh. Sorry, it's like minus 40 degrees right now. Canada. There's Canada for you. What is it? I'm not particularly scared, I'm just cold. What is it? Holy fuck.